What is poppin', fly girl and fly guys? It's your girl TRB on, and don't you forget it, welcome back to my channel. If you are not subscribed, go ahead, click the subscribe button, like and share this video with your crew, with everybody that you know. Okay, when you subscribe and you like and you watch this video, it helps me out a lot, so I would greatly appreciate that. And come and join the fly girl and fly guy fam. Okay, as titled, this video is all about how to travel minimally with just a backpack. All right, you guys, this is my first time ever traveling with the backpack. I'm not sure if y'all are like me, but I'm definitely an overpacker. I don't know if, you know, I want to wear this one day and this outfit the next day. You just never know, so I just pack whatever. But I did it and I'm proud of myself, and honestly I'm going to continue to do this. This is a very cost effective, I mean, it's very efficient. Like if you're traveling on a budget, or you're just trying to travel and be on go, like, oh snap, I just seen these weekend tickets to da 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 for this price and it's $70 round trip, this is the way to do it. You don't have to pay for a check-in bag, none of that stuff. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you guys, I went to Puerto Rico. Okay, so Puerto Rico and New Jersey. I went to New Jersey for one day. And then, I thought my titty came out, y'all. I went to New Jersey for one day. This was on a Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I went to Puerto Rico. And I came back on Saturday morning. Okay, so this is a 5-day, 4-night trip. All right, how I packed everything in this book bag. So check this video out. And let me show you how I did this right here, okay? I'm gonna show y'all.
Ooh, is it you saucy?
All right, you guys, so this is everything that I packed in my book bag for this trip. Okay, so right here we have the white huaraches. Oh, and in the back we have my jean jacket. I just held that on with me on the plane. I get cold when I travel, so that is just my jacket, all around jean jacket. I know it's tussled on the floor over there, but you get the point. This right here, we have the white huaraches, which I traveled with these shoes. So I wore these in the airport every time I traveled. I wore it with my Brooklyn t-shirt and the spandex shorts. And also too, I will say that I did pack some Adidas leggings and then just another t-shirt that could be used for travel, just to lounge around, whatever. I have my gold flats, so they can go with everything in my outfit. I have here my headscarf. Can't go to sleep without my scarf. Mask. I have a strapless bra, which I didn't really need a bra on this trip, but you know, I had a bra just in case. Some socks. I do not like walking around barefoot. I really didn't need it for the trip, but when I'm in the crib, I do not like walking around barefoot. I got my underwear over here. Y'all saw me in my bathing suit. I travel with a fanny pack. It's easy for me. I can pull things out when I need to pull things out. I did bring 2 purses with me just in case. I packed. I have like a little notebook that I like to take notes in. I have a book here. I have a composition notebook here. This is another camera accessory, my GoPro, which really kind of fucked up during my trip because my SD card was tripping. But I did pack all of my things for my GoPro in this bag. I have my laptop right here, my iPad, my terabyte for my laptop, my camera charger, camera right here, laptop charger, camera accessory. This is all of my makeup. So really it's just, you know, eyebrow pencil, mascara. Y'all can be nosy and get up in here. Brushes, like little things right here, eyelash glue and shit. I have toner right here, my Witch Hazel Cucumber Toner, which I did get from, I think I got this from Marshall's for $3. My glasses. Of course, this was full during my trip, but this is where I keep all of my vitamins, right in here. So be sure to take your vitamins with you, y'all. You're traveling, especially when you're on the plane, you're around different people, you in new climates. You don't know what could happen. I think I already pointed out my laptop charger. And then it's so important too to have like small bags to just put everything in. So when you travel, especially when you have a book bag, which I'll talk about more, you want smaller items. So in here I have my, what you call this damn thing? I got my damn contact cleaner. It's not even coming to my mind. Contact solution. There we go. I got my contact solution. I got my face wash in this bottle right here. And then in these small little bottles is my shea butter, y'all. I cannot travel without my shea butter, okay? And then here's some edge gel right here. And then we have my toothbrush. I had my little panty liners in there because, you know, I was on my period when I traveled. And, you know, you got your toothpaste, deodorant, perfume. My eyelash glue was in here. And my edge toothbrush, okay, you guys? And then here is my book bag. Eventually, I will upgrade to a new backpack, but it has so many compartments in here that works. That is really good. Like in here, you see, we have space in here. We got space in here, space for my laptop, and it goes pretty deep. We got another little compartment here. So it's a really great backpack to use. So I traveled with the sneakers, traveled with the fanny pack, and I traveled with my jean jacket. We got my phone. This is just a little note, tissue, little napkin here. I don't know why it's here. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. I do just want to go ahead and just share maybe like 4 to 5 tips about how to like keep it smooth and cool when packing with a book bag, depending on where you are. I'm just gonna read it off my phone. Number 1, just be mindful of where you're staying. So I mean, if you're staying in a hotel, I don't know, but if you're staying in an Airbnb or your friend's house and you have a washing machine there and you have the opportunity to wash clothes, think about that while you're traveling. Sometimes you can rewear some jeans. I don't have an issue with that. I'll go ahead and rewear my jeans maybe 2 times, maybe 3 times at that. But if there's something that you can rewear, do that. If you need to wash and you know that you have a washer or dryer in your reach or around the area that you're staying, go for it, okay? Number 2, what made it easier for me too as well is the shoes that I packed pretty much went with all of my outfits, okay? And I forgot to tell you guys, I put my jewelry in this compartment here, okay? So I had a bag and I put it in here. Oh, I have an extra mask in here too, but I put my jewelry in this front part of this bag, okay? So how did I go from shoes to jewelry? But if you have the shoes that you pack on this trip, just make sure that it can pretty much go with every outfit that you pack, all right? The point of packing in a book bag is to pack like a minimalist. Like, this is minimal traveling, all right? You're not trying to overpack. You're just packing pretty much just enough for your trip. Number 3, mini organizer bags work so perfectly. So like how I showed you guys, the bags that I used for my toiletries work so good. So you can find that at Marshall's, TJ Maxx. I think I got mine from TJ Maxx or Marshall's, one of those 2 stores. And also too, when you're traveling, and in order for you to be able to bring it on as a plane, as your personal item, or a carry-on, but this is pretty much like a personal item on Spirit. It has to be 6 ounces. I'm pretty sure it's 6 ounces. You can check online, the airport website, whatever, but I'm pretty sure it is 6 ounces. So again, it's just important that even too at Walmart, you can still get, you know, many things like this to put stuff in, like lotion, conditioner, mini bottles that you can use, so you don't have to buy extra stuff. Just take what you already have and put it in there. Okay, I can't go nowhere without shea butter, so I'm so glad that I had these to pack in my bag. And normally the shea butter tubs are super huge. I'm not trying to put that in my bag, and I'm pretty sure it wouldn't have been able to fit. Number 4, having a book bag that has a lot of space and just a lot of different compartments really helps out, and it just organizes everything better. It creates more space. Like, it organizes things better, it creates more space. And number 5, like, you're literally packing like minimally. That's like the main word that I'm using, and I don't know really what other word to use, but that's the word that I want to use. Okay, yeah, you're really just packing like what you need. Okay, now honestly, I still had like an extra outfit or 2 for the trip. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I still had an extra outfit, so it worked, you know what I'm saying? But this was definitely something different for me, especially since I like to overpack. I like, you know, just to have outfits just in case I'm not in the mood to wear this, or I'm not in the mood to wear that. So this definitely helped. And you guys, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this, if you have any other ideas that you would like for me to talk about with you guys. Again, this is how I packed for my trip to Puerto Rico. Stayed 1 day in New Jersey, stayed 3 days in Puerto Rico, and then that 5th day I was back in Atlanta. All right, you guys, if y'all don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead, follow me on Instagram at TRBrianna. It's the same as my YouTube channel. Please go ahead and subscribe to you, girl. Okay, click that button right now, like this video, leave a comment, and share with your friends. All right, we catching flights over here, boo boo. Like, this is gonna be my lifestyle. I'm telling you guys, I'm about to be out and about. Okay, out and about. But anyways, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you guys for your support, and I will definitely see you soon.